Pari, now you have to tell me. First, I will give you one debate and you have to talk. Okay? You have to talk on this particular debate. So, your debate point is bus travel versus bike travel. Which travel is best? Means you have to compare. Both sides you have to take. So, bus travel and bike travel. Got it? Do you want time? No. Okay. Just talk. Talk loudly, confidently. I want confidence from you. Okay? So, bus travel, bike travel. Start.
Bus travel is bus travel we get so many friends, then we can chit chat with them.
Hmm.
In bus travel we can watch mobile
Hmm.
and sleep in bus.
Hmm.
In bus travel one time can people can travel.
So many people can.
So many people can travel.
Hmm.
In bus travel we no need petrol.
Hmm.
If accident happen, then we get government help.
Hmm.
In bus travel, we are safe from rainy season and sunshine.
Hmm.
In bus travel, we can click photo through the window.
Hmm.
In bus travel, we can stop anywhere as we want.
Okay.
Then we can reach our proper place.
Okay. Okay. Bike travel about. Okay. Remain some point. Bike travel about talk.
Uh, in bike
Hmm.
in bike travel, we can go emergency time.
In bike travel.
By bike travel, we can go emergency time
Hmm.
with fast speed.
Okay.
Um,
Fast, fast, fast. Improve.
by bike,
Hmm.
we can turn easily in traffic time. If we know how to drive bike, then we can participate in bike
Race.
race. Bike race competition. By bike, we can go long distance with our friends or family members. We can stop anywhere as we want, or we can click photo.
Nature photo, no? We can click
Yes.
nature photo. Yes. We can turn easily. Bike we can turn easily from traffic. Okay, one more debate I will do. You have to talk about school study and college study. School study and self study. School study and self study. School study about talk.
School study. In school study, teacher teaches us in school. School study is best study.
आपल्याला डाऊट असेल तर आपण शिक्षकांना विचारतो.
If we have doubt, then we can ask to teacher. Teacher explain to us. If we don't know this answer, then teacher explain this answer.
Talk loudly. Talk loudly. Yes. Self study about talk. Say 1-2 lines. Self study.
Self study is best study. If do our self study, that good for our health.
Good for our health. Okay. Why and how? आपण आपले
we,
rules.
we can follow our rules.
आपण आपल्या रूम मध्ये अभ्यास करतो, कोण डिस्टर्ब करत नाही.
We are studying in our room.
हम्म.
No one disturbing us.
हम्म.
Parents are telling
हम्म.
do yourself study. Don't ask me.
Okay. And if you have doubt, then we can ask to our siblings, also our parents. Parents are not telling. Parents don't tell that. You don't ask us. Parents
Parents
tell us.
tell us.
If you have doubt,
Then tell me.
ask me. I will solve your doubt. Okay. One more I am giving. There is a very common question. What do you think about should uniform be banned or not? Should uniform be banned or not? What do you think? Uniform banned व्हायला पाहिजे की नाही?
No, uniform shouldn't be banned. If uniform banned,
Talk
then-
loudly. Talk loudly.
If uniform banned, then students will not study. Students will wear any type of cloth. They will spend money on that cloth only. Students will not attend their class lecture. They will go to wander
Outside.
anywhere outside. Miss their lecture.
And keep talking.
While they are going to school, that time people will
Not understand.
not understand they are going to school or anywhere.
And they will not understand from which school they are. No?
Yes.
आणि ते आपल्या आई वडिलांकडे हट्ट करणार नवीन ड्रेससाठी रोज. They will ask for
money for dress. And they will not study. They will not attention in study. They will speak about cloth.
Yeah, okay.
Which cloth you wear.
Talk loudly, your sound, talk loudly. Other one I will give question. If should homework ban, then what will happen? What do you think? Should homework be banned or not? Homework ban व्हायला पाहिजे की no? Just wait, I will write it. You have to tell. What did I give? Should homework
be banned or not?
Yes. Should homework be banned or not? What do you think? If yes, then why? If no, then why? Start to tell.
No, homework shouldn't be banned. If homework banned, then students will not study.
Talk loudly.
They will not improve their writing skill and reading skill. They will play whole day. They will watch mobile, TV, and play with their friends and chit chat with them. They will go to fair like beach, wonder. They will not get revision from teacher.
Yeah, what the teacher taught in school. Yeah,
Yes.
okay. And त्यांचं रीडिंग रायटिंग स्किल इम्प्रूव्ह होणार नाही.
They don't know how to read.
How to write. They won't understand how to read, how to write.
Yes.
And त्यांच्यामध्ये अभ्यासाची आवड निर्माण होणार नाही.
They will not
interested
on study.
in study.
they will play and play. They will not attention in studying.
Talk loudly, talk loudly. And other side tell, if homework ban then what will good happen? If homework ban then what will good happen? Tell. Talk loudly, confidently
If
talk.
homework ban,
More than loud,
Then-
more than loud.
if homework ban, then they will take rest.
Students
Students will take rest. They will sleep. They
Yes, tell fast.
they are
They will play
play.
and
They will happy if homework ban.
pure sleep.
They will watch mobile, TV and take rest for
झोप घेणार व्यवस्थित आणि आपल्या आवडत्या कोर्सेस वगैरे जॉईन करणार त्या टाइम मध्ये.
that time. They will join their courses,
लाईक सिंगिंग, म्युझिक.
music,
Singing.
dancing, singing.
If homework ban then this good will happen. Okay.
If homework ban, then this happen.
And I am asking you question, and what will happen? And
They will take exercise for the body.
and finish over. Okay, you have given good performance. You have told good answers. Now I will give you one conversation. Okay, both side you have to present conversation. So fast, I want speed from you and talk loudly. Okay, so conversation topic is you and book shopkeeper. You want to purchase some books, and that related you have to make conversation. Means you have to present now conversation. Book shopkeeper and you. Okay, book shopkeeper and you. Both dialogue you have to only present. Start now.
I went in book shopkeeper. Hello,
Bookshop.
bookshop. I asked which type.
Only conversation. Don't tell. I ask. Conversation means question. You who you are, customer, and he is shopkeeper. Both side you have to only present. Just turn here, turn here, turn.
Hello, I want some books to purchase. I want 40 books for
this
birthday.
for birthday. Okay.
Which type of book do you have? I
I have then. Yes.
I have many type of book. Come inside and see.
See. Okay.
Okay, I told okay. I want drawing books. And do you have pencil? Yes, I have pencil. Take these books and pencil. Yours 100 rupees. I told okay.
You don't use told.
Yes.
Okay. I will.
Okay.
I will check.
I will check. Take this money.
I will check directly.
This much. Okay, these books are nice.
Pack this book.
Pack this book and give me.
Ask money.
How many rupees do you want? I want 100 rupees.
Want night. How many rupees total?
How many rupees total? total amount is 100 rupees.
Hmm.
I took that parcel,
Hmm.
take this money
Hmm.
and give that my parcel.
Hmm. And you ask another question.
When will you close your
Stall.
bookstall?
Hmm.
Give me your number.
Hmm.
I will take books from yours only.
Hmm.
Your shop.
Hmm.
Okay. Take this number.
Hmm.
Okay. When will you open your shop?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Hmm.
I will.
Hmm.
Please. I want to give one order.
Hmm.
Please take this order.
Hmm.
Okay. Give me your order.
Hmm.
I want 50 pens
Hmm.
and eraser.
Hmm.
Pencils packet.
Hmm.
How many rupees?
Hmm.
That
Hmm.
all total.
Hmm.
That total 150 rupees.
Hmm.
I told okay. I will give you tomorrow
Hmm.
and give this parcel me. I will
Pay money
pay money tomorrow.
Hmm.
And I want this parcel tomorrow.
Hmm.
I will come here
Hmm. And
tomorrow
receive my parcel.
and receive my parcel.
Hmm.
When your shop open?
Hmm. When
does your shop open?
Hmm.
My shop open 9 o'clock.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
I will come
Hmm.
10 o'clock
Hmm.
to receive this parcel.
Hmm.
Thank you.
Okay, yes, okay. One more I am giving, means you have to talk with your mother. So that related you have to make conversation. You and your mother. Next conversation is you and your mother. This topic I am giving, you got less mark in exam. Suppose you got less mark in exam, and that related your mother is asking you some questions, and you have to give answers. Okay, just just wait. I will write it. What did I give? I forgot.
Mother and
Mother and father. Okay, mother and no, you and your mother. That means you have to ask question to your mother. Conversation between you and your mother. Start. Okay, start. Mother will ask question. No, first. हॅलो परी परी तुला कमी मार्क मिळाले कसे मार्क मिळाले कमी फास्ट
Pari, how did you get less mark? Why are you fail in exams? I study well, but I am absent one day. I was absent in one day. So I study well, but I got less marks. How you got less
How
marks?
did you?
How did you get less marks? Why are you absent? And when are you absent? I was absent on Thursday. That paper is EVS.
That paper was.
That paper was EVS and hard paper. That's why I got less marks. Why are you absent? What problem it is?
Why were you absent?
Why were you absent? What problem it is? I have a cold.
I had ना होता ना
I
गुटका.
had a cold and fever. That's why I didn't go to school. Why next time study well,
Hmm.
but don't lose your marks next time,
Hmm.
and don't absent.
Hmm.
Okay, go in your room and study for next exam.
Hmm.
That exam is 10 date
Hmm.
of 10
Hmm.
exam.
Hmm.
Okay, I am going in my room.
Hmm.
First paper is which paper?
Hmm. Which is first paper?
Which is first paper?
Hmm.
First paper is Hindi.
Hmm.
So study well, go in your room
Hmm.
and don't take mobile.
Hmm.
Any doubt is there, that ask me.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
go in your room and change your uniform
Hmm. Breakfast, eating
And-
food.
and come to eat breakfast. And you eat breakfast, then go to sleep.
Hmm.
Night time you will sleep early.
Hmm.
That's why go to sleep, you eat breakfast then.
Talk loudly.
Okay,
Talk loudly.
okay, I will change my uniform
Hmm.
and come to
And आई सांगते की मी तुझी पुन्हा रात्री नाईट टाइमला रिव्हिजन घेणार.
I will take revision night time
Hmm.
and test.
Hmm.
Okay, I will study well for next exam.
And it was surprise test, no? So I got, means I will try hard to achieve great mark in next exam.
That is surprise test, but
That
was surprise test.
Hmm.
I will
Study well.
study well for next coming exam.
Okay, thank you. Yes. Now I am giving you, I will ask you sentences, translation, sentences, questions, and helping verbs. Okay? Yes. Split sentences. Just wait, I will check. Okay, tell me. ती बोलली नाही. Fast.
She didn't speak.
मी येणार.
I will come.
तो बोलत नाही.
He doesn't speak.
मी पाहिलेले आहे.
I have seen.
ती घरी गेलेली होती.
She had gone home.
मी विचार केला.
I thought.
ती येत असेल.
She will be coming.
नेक्स्ट, तिने उद्यापर्यंत पुस्तक दिलेले असेल.
She will have given book by tomorrow.
माईक रिमूव्ह अँड तो खेळत नव्हता.
He wasn't
प्लेइंग. नेक्स्ट, तिने पुस्तक दिलेले नाही आहे.
तिने पुस्तक
दिलेले नाही आहे.
She hasn't gave book.
Given book. One mistake. नेक्स्ट, तिने पाहिलेले नव्हते. फास्ट.
तिने पाहिलेले
नव्हते.
She wasn't
मीन्स कंटिन्युअस फास्ट. पाहत नव्हता. पाहिलेले
नव्हते. She hadn't saw.
Verb third. See. Verb third you don't know. One more mistake. Okay, next question I am asking. ती काय करते?
What does she do?
तिने काय खाल्ले?
What did she
खाल्ले.
तिने काय खाल्ले? What did she eat?
ती कुठे जाणार?
Where will she go?
ती तिकडे जाते का?
Did she go there?
तिने काय विचार केला?
काय?
तिने काय विचार केला?
What did she think?
नेक्स्ट ती बोलत नाही का?
बोलत नाही. Doesn't she think?
Doesn't she?
Think.
बोलणे.
Doesn't she speak?
तो तिकडे गेला नाही का?
तिकडे गेला. Didn't he go there?
नेक्स्ट तिने काय खाल्लेले होते?
What had he eaten?
इटन. नेक्स्ट तिने तिकडे काय पाहिले?
तिने तिकडे काय पाहिले? What did she see there?
तू तिकडे गेलेली आहेस का?
तिकडे गेली आहेस का? Will
गेलेली आहे. विल मीन्स ना, गेलेली आहे का?
आहे का? Have you gone there?
Okay, so you have to study on verb forms. Okay, there were some mistakes. Helping of I am asking. Yes, model auxiliary. ती जाऊ शकत नाही.
ते जाऊ शकत. She can't go.
तो खेळू शकला.
He could play.
ती बोलू शकत नाही.
बोलू शकत. ती बोलू शकत
नाही.
She can't speak.
तिने विचार करायला हवा होता.
हवं होतं. She should think.
Wrong. One mistake. तिने विचार करायला हवा होता. She should have thought, worked. तो खेळू शकला असता.
खेळू शकला असता. He
Fast.
could have played.
नेक्स्ट चला जाऊया.
चला जा. Let's go.
कदाचित तो तिकडे येईल.
तो तिकडे
फास्ट.
He may come there.
नेक्स्ट तिने कदाचित भाजी खरेदी केलीच असेल. फास्ट.
She may purchase.
कदाचित असेल.
She
कदाचित.
She might have purchased vegetable.
Don't fear. Confidently give answer. Okay. Confidently give answer. If mistake, let it be. Okay. Next. तिला शाळेत जावं लागलं. तिला काल शाळेत जावं लागलं.
तिला काल शाळेत
फास्ट.
जावं लागलं.
फास्ट.
She तिला काल शाळेत जावं लागलं. She
करेक्ट. Don't fear. Talk confident. जावं लागतं. जावं लागलं.
She had to go school.
Don't fear. Confident. You are giving correct answer. So you don't fear. तिला तिकडे जावं लागतं. कसं आहे ना, तिला तिकडे जावं लागतं.
She has to go there.
Okay. You are giving perfect answer. So why are you fearing? Just confidently give answer. Next. आम्हाला परीक्षा द्यावी लागेल.
परीक्षा द्यावी लागेल.
What is there? Ring.
We will have to.
Last two passive voice sentences. Okay.
Yes.
Just wait. I will check there what they are doing. I want to check their study. Start. Okay. Passive voice. Are you ready? Okay. Don't make mistake. But don't make mistake and don't fear. Confidently give answer. Okay. So first, paper दिला जाणार.
Paper will be given.
Very good. उत्तर दिले पाहिजे.
तो दिले पाहिजे.
Helping word.
Question.
Answer. उत्तर.
Answer.
The.
The answer दिले पाहिजे. Answer should be given.
Very good. Next, पेन दिले गेलेले होते किंवा पेन दिलेले होते.
पेन दिलेले होते. Pen
Fast.
had been given.
नेक्स्ट, पुस्तके घेतली जात आहेत.
जात आहे. Books
Fast.
is
Are no many is there.
books are books are being
Work third.
taken.
नेक्स्ट, दरवाजा उघडला गेला.
केला. Door was
उघडला.
opened.
नेक्स्ट,